Right now, I'm going to show you how to clean dog pee out of the carpet here. So you can see there's an outline here. This carpet, I love it. It does a really good job at hiding some of these accidents, but it smells horrible. I'm going to show you how to clean it. One of the products that I love to use for this is an actual enzyme cleaner. So I use this one. It's Active Odor and Stain Eliminator. So I am going to spray this directly on the spot here and let it sit for a while to actually break down that. So the enzymes in it actually break down this organic material, whereas other cleaners aren't going to break it down the same way. So those enzymes actually break it down, which is going to make it easier to extract. Now, if this was a fresh mess, of course, I would pat it with a towel or paper towels or whatever to get the majority of it up. But we don't have that. So this is a dog, had an accident in here. So now we're going to go ahead and clean it up. So I'm just going to spray a healthy amount here around and directly onto the stain here. And then I just want to lightly agitate it to get it into the actual fibers of the carpet. So you've got a couple different options here for that. So you could do it with your fingers here. I do have the brush here from my Bissell Little Green Machine. So I am going to be using that. So the brush head here, I am just going to gently agitate it into the fibers of the carpet, right? So I just want to make sure that it's getting actually in there. It smells better already. So this bottle or this brand that I have has a citrus scent to it. So it's already starting to smell better. Now I'm just going to let that sit for a while and we'll come back and finish up. It's been about 15 minutes. I can already see the stain is a different color. It actually even smells much better in here. So at this point you could dab it if you want and just clean it up this way. So you're going to dab it, you're going to pull the stain off of there, and that's how you're going to clean up the mess, and you can kind of rinse and repeat the process, spray, dab, and clean as needed. I'm going to use my Bissell Little Green Machine here. So this is a portable carpet cleaner. I've just got hot water in the reservoir. I'm not going to be using any other cleaner, so I'm just going to spray and extract the liquid here with the carpet cleaner. So turn it on, spray it. It sprays water out of this nozzle here. Just going to spray down the area. And that's it. It is super easy to clean up a mess like this. I'm just going to continue to spray, scrub, and extract as needed until I'm satisfied with how the stain is coming up. Now this portable green machine, it's the Bissell Little Green Machine. It's a great carpet cleaner. I do have a complete tutorial if you want to check that out next. If you like DIY around the house, feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.